In this video, I will show you step by step exactly how to get started with YouTube automation and how to generate and earn $9,000 in passive income every month from faceless YouTube automation channels. For starters, let's take a look at this channel here called Mute the Mall. The channel has 371,000 subscribers and millions of views. On some of its most popular videos, content types, now this is a great example of what not to do when starting YouTube automation. Now, a lot of gurus and trainers out there say to start with viral content, not funny cats or meditation music. You couldn't be further from the truth, because this channel here probably make $1 and $2 per thousand views, and the channel I want, let me show you, that is earns between $15 and $20 per thousand views, so 4 to 5 times more than this channel, and they can get less views and make a lot more money. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So here we go to this channel called Satoshi Stacker. In this channel, he talks about digital currencies and the niche is Bitcoin. Now this niche here is very good place to enter because there was a Bitcoin bear market. Cryptocurrencies were going down and down, so advertisers were moving away from these types of channels. But now Bitcoin is starting to go up and cryptocurrencies are starting to go up, and pouring money into channels like these two advertisers against these videos. So this is a great opportunity to enter this niche. Right now this channel is completely faceless right here. As you can see, they are only talking about Bitcoin price performance. Bitcoin price predicts everything about Bitcoin. They really don't talk about altcoins or any other digital currencies right now, just Bitcoin, and they introduce you to 14,000, 70,000, 25,000, 26,000 views. They don't even show their face, so I show you exactly. I'll show you how you can start with a channel like this and outsource everything, so you don't have to film or script. You can run this channel on autopilot. So if we come here to Social Blade, we can check how much they earn. It says they make $2,000 a month or $25,000 a year, and it can't be more than that. If you go to the little question mark and hover over the question mark, it says that the default CPM range is 25 cents to $4 per thousand views. We know that this channel is making more than $15 per thousand views. This channel will earn between $20 and $25 per thousand views again when Bitcoin goes up, as more advertisers come in and advertise about crypto on YouTube. A channel that is very good income, and they also have affiliate commission or affiliate links in the description. So they earn money from it, and also maybe $1 to $2,000 per month from them. So what we are going to do is model it. We find content that we can't recreate. Now we don't want to reinvent the wheel. We want to take something that already worked on YouTube and recreate that video with our own twist. First, we go to their videos tab, then we go to the newest video. For example, a month or several months. What we want to do is take the old way of doing things. Doing things like taking a script and plugging it into a rewriting software. What we're going to do is we're going to use ChatGPT and open up the AI to rewrite the script for us. So what we're going to do is go to OpenAI and click try ChatGPT. And then what we're going to do is ChatGPT to write a script for us, and what we can type is, can you write me a 10-minute video script with timestamps about the Bitcoin price prediction in December 2023? So a completely new written script is present to you. There is a video script about Bitcoin price prediction for 2023, which consists of an introduction from the first 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I like timestamps because it kind of tells you what that script is great. And then at the end they say Bitcoin could potentially be between 100,000 and 500,000 by the end of 2023, and that's very interesting. And we can go ahead and grab this script here, because this script is completely uncopyrighted by AI software. It is written that we can now connect this script to more AI software. I will show you right here. Now we go to 11 Labs. At this stage we want to get the sound. We used to go to Fiverr and pay them $10 and $15 for a voiceover. Here we can do is very cheaply. I think $30 a month, and as many voice actors as you want. So what we can do is plug our script into 11 Labs, and we can choose a different voice. Can you guess? There are 15 different sounds here. Men's voices are different, women's voices are right, and then the AI voice can read the script to us and give us that audio file. If you want to make it look even more realistic, like a person in the video, you can use a software called Synthesia, which basically plays an actor. It looks very real there. If you want to include it in the video, you don't have to. At this point, we go to Fiverr and search for video editing for YouTube and set the budget as $20 and go for the newest. And you can see that there are many video editors out there looking for work. They have no idea, they're brand new, and they're probably willing to do it for $10 and $20. And just as easily, you can build a permanent, high-income online businesses with very little budget.